Ang init, nakakaloka. Very, very chill video lang muna tayo today, guys. Hindi na muna ako magme-makeup. Medyo matagal na yung last time na nag-haul ako, I believe, nung 9-9 pa ata or 10-10. Pero dead man na kasi, diba? Tapos na yon. And ayun, to end the year, gawa pa tayo ng isa. And also yung mga PR na na-receive ko during that span or week, baka isama ko na din sa video na to so that meron kayong idea and also just in case na, diba? Gusto nyo gawan ko siya ng review or kaya gamitin ko sa video, at least pwede nyo sabihin sa comment section. Not gonna lie, I went a little bit crazy, guys. Medyo naloka din ako sa gastos ko. But actually, sobrang laki na na-save ko, especially sa Lazada. Aside kasi sa discounted items, meron ding free shipping. And also yung ibang stores, meron pa silang bonus na kapag ka naka 600 worth ka, may 60 off pa. Kaya ayun, nabudol po ako. Anyway, so at yung first two items na binili ko, guys, during Lazada's sale. I believe this one, yung original price niya is around 4,250. Pero since nga naka-sale, hulaan nyo guys kung magkano na lang siya. 1,700 plus pesos. And also, kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, meron pang 60 pesos off every 600 pesos. And since naka 3,000 plus ako sa dalawang to, I believe parang meron pang around 250 pesos na nabawas. Kaya diba, sobrang bongga, pasabog. By the way, same design nga lang pala yung kinuha ko, guys. Magkaibang color lang. Kasi I've been wanting to get this one for so long. Kaya lang, hindi ko ma-justify na bumili ng naka-original price. And I'm so happy, guys, kasi it is worth the wait. Actually, meron ako nitong shoes na to before, kaya lang, hindi na kasya sa akin. Sumikip na. Kasi pinaayos ko siya. Tapos yun, sumikip nung inayos, nakakaloka. Ito yung first color na kinuha ko, guys. Actually, this one, hindi talaga ako sure kung kukunin ko siya. Pero sabi ko, since naka-sale naman. Tsaka I know myself, guys, kapag hindi ko siya binili tapos makita kong sold out, pag sisisihan ko siya ng malala and panigurado, everyday, iisipin ko siya. Also, share ko lang, guys, na itong shoes na to talagang minamatahan ko siya nung saktong 12. Because yung size ko, 8.5, parang dun sa beige, dalawa na lang. Tapos itong isang to, 3 na lang. And I'm so lucky, guys, kasi nung saktong 12, pag check out ko, talagang nakuha ko pa siya. Kaya sabi ko talaga, siguro for me talaga siya. Anyway, so this is the second pair. And actually, yung old kong ganito din yung kulay niya. Parang mas dark lang dito na blue. And yun, I'm so happy because finally, nakabalik na tong shoes na to sa aking collection. Magagamit ko na ulit siya. And this time, dalawa na sila. Tsaka medyo matagal na din kasi yung huling beses na bumili ako ng shoes. I believe, before the pandemic. Syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang favorite kong makeup remover. Ito actually talagang kapag ka-sale, palagi ko siya binibili. And sobrang happy ko, guys, kasi ngayong 12/12, nabili ko lang siya ng 79 pesos each. This one is literally something na hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang wala kasi essential na talaga siya sa akin, guys, especially kapag ka nagme-makeup. Actually, paubusan nga yung isa ko kaya I'm so happy na finally meron na akong backup and ayun nga, sobrang mura ko siya nabili, 79 pesos lang. Sa lahat ng makeup remover na nasubukan ko in the past, ito lang talaga yung pinakamabilis and effective, especially sa mga waterproof eye makeup, guys, like yung mga eyeliner, mascara. Sobrang effective na to, guys, kasi maglagay ka lang ng konti sa cotton pad. Tapos kapag ka pinaras mo siya sa eyes, bilang ka lang ng parang 5 to 8 second. Kapag ka sinwipe mo, tanggal yung eyeliner and mascara. Ganun siyang ka-effective and kabilis gamitin. I promise, guys, mako-convert kayo dito kasi once nyo lang siyang subukan, magtutuloy-tuloy na yung gamit and pagbili nyo dito. Moving on, this is yung next item na binili ko, guys. This is from Got To Be, which is yung ating favorite brand pagdating sa pangkilay. This one is a hairspray and I've been using this for, I believe, 2 or 3 days na and so far so good, guys. Actually, mas gusto ko to compared dito sa ginagamit ko before, which is yung L'Oreal na Elnet. This one is super expensive kasi hindi ko ma-justify. I believe parang nasa siya, kulang 900. But I'm super duper happy because, guys, same sa ginagamit natin sa kilay. This one is amazing as well. Tapos ayun, tignan niyo yung pinaka-nozzle. Meron siyang cover dito. Sobrang smart ng idea na to kasi, guys, kapag ini-spray niyo siya, hindi siya yung sobrang sabog. Dito kasi sa ginagamit ko before and also sa ibang hairspray, di ba? Yung standard lang siya na pang spray. Tapos ayun nga, sobrang sabog na sabog. Minsan medyo messy siya and kung saan napupunta. By the way, this one I believe is around 500, kulang 600, but super worth it, I swear, guys. Kasi talagang kapag ini-spray niyo sa hair, it lasts the whole day. Hindi siya mabigat at all sa buhok tapos hindi niya binabagsak yung buhok. Kaya feeling ko this one kahit kapag sa curl, halimbawa gusto niyo yung sobrang bouncy and fluffy na hair. Eto, guys, panigurado, sobrang okay na okay siya. Eto naman yung next item na nabili ko, guys. This is from Oxcure and ito yung kanilang Acne Clear Powder Mud. This one, 799 yung original price. But since naka-sale siya, I got it for 575 na lang. But meron pa akong coins. Kaya nabawasan pa. So, ang binayaran ko na lang is 388 pesos. Maganda to, guys. Actually, meron ako nito naka-sachet. Nabili ko siya 80 pesos ata. By the way, this is how it looks like. Medyo may pagka-pink yung color ng product. And kung familiar kayo dun sa kanilang spot treatment na nasa bottle na maliit, I believe same lang naman sila. But this one, mas siya, concentrated. And personally, for me, mas prefer ko to guys compared doon sa nasa bottle na maliit. Kasi di ba yung nasa maliit parang more on solution tapos konti lang yung mud or powder. Unlike this one, di ba, cream type siya. Kaya pwede nyo siyang gawing parang mask or kaya pang spot treatment. And in fairness dito guys ha, super effective siya. Hindi naman siya yung super instant na kinabukasan wala na. Of course, it takes time. Sa akin guys, sa mga pimples ko, nakikita ko yung difference after 2 to 3 days. Doon ko nakikita medyo nagsusubside na siya. Kaya yun, since nga sobrang na-enjoy ko siya and effective, naisipan kong bumili na nung nasa malaking size. But for those of you na ayaw pang mag-commit sa ganitong size, kasi di ba medyo pricey and hindi pa kayo sure kung effective sa inyo, yung maliit na ganito muna yung bilhin nyo guys, yung nasa sachet kasi 80 pesos lang siya. I almost forgot, but meron nga din palang kasamang free sanitizer yung Oxcure nung binili ko siya. Ito, super cute. And syempre, hindi ko na-TS. Since naka-sale, bumili din ako ng perfume. Pero isa lang binili ko, guys, kasi feeling ko sobrang dami ko ng perfume. Kaya, kung hindi January, February na ulit yung next. I forgot to show you guys, but this is the perfume that I got. Shakira perfume siya, and ito yung kanyang Midnight Dance perfume. And this one, yung original price niya is 699, but nabili ko lang siya ng 575. Medyo annoying lang kasi ang pangit ng packaging because nung dumating siya sa akin, guys, merong cut dito yung pinaka-box. Ayun, no, tingnan nyo, sobrang damage na. Ito nga pala yung photo ni Shakira sa pinaka-box. As you can see, super stunning. And grabe, guys, look at the bottle. Super duper stunning. I'm obsessed. In terms of scent naman, guys, for those of you na mahilig sa gourmand, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo to kasi gourmand scent siya. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na kahit hindi naka-sale, bilhin nyo siya. Napakabango niya guys, I swear. And it doesn't smell cheap. Dito sa perfume na to guys, yung pinaka-prominent na note is vanilla tsaka hazelnut. Sobrang creamy and rich nung amoy niya guys, I swear, ang bango. And also by the way guys, medyo sweet din nga pala yung amoy nito pero hindi naman siya yung sweet na pambata. Hulaan nyo kung anong perfume yung sinasabing kaamoy nito. According sa mga reviews sa Fragrantica, yung pinaka-close na kaamoy nito is yung Carolina Herrera Good Girl. And upon checking yung notes tsaka yung accords ng perfumes, ang dami nilang similarities. So yeah, yun guys, again kung naghahanap kayo ng perfume na amoy vanilla, amoy hazelnut, very sensual, creamy, and class. Nang hindi ko magastos ng thousands of peso, I highly suggest na kunin nyo to guys. I swear. Kahit hindi naka-sale, kung naamoy ko na to sa mall, bibilin ko pa rin siya. By the way, just a quick heads up that this one is an EDP, hindi siya EDP, kaya don't expect na talagang buong araw siya. But still, I don't mind. Kasi nga, diba, sobrang affordable. $6.99 for 80 ml. Panigurado guys, maglalast na to ng matagal. Sa mga makeup naman tayo this time, and ito yung first na nabili ko. This is from Everbilana and ito yung kanilang all-day powder foundation. And I believe this one basically is yung powder version ng kanilang foundation or liquid foundation. Think of it na parang MAC Cosmetics kasi diba meron silang fixed liquid foundation and fixed powder. So parang ganun yung ganap dito. This one, I believe, yung original price is 385, 355, ganun. Pero since nga naka-sale, parang wala pang 200 yung binayaran ko kaya sabi ko, go na. This is how the packaging looks like and as you can see, same sa kanilang liquid foundation. Matte yung finish niya, very consistent and uniform tignan. This is how the foundation looks like. Meron siyang sponge para tinanggal ko na, but ayan. Ito yung itsura niya. And this one guys, subukan na lang natin siya and iswatch sa trying new makeup video na gagawin ko. So, this is in the shade Porcelain. If you're planning to get this, I suggest na kung ano yung kulay ng foundation nyo or liquid foundation, yun din yung kunin nyo para match yung color nila. I also got myself a lip gloss. This is yung Maybelline Lifter Gloss. And actually, tatlo talaga dapat yung bibilin ko. Kaya lang nung i-check out ko na siya, nag-sold out yung dalawa pa. But anyway, ito yung shade na nakuha ko. 003 Moon. And ito yung color niya. Ooh, it smells good. Amoy sugar. And I'm crossing my fingers na sana talaga maganda and dupe nga ng Fenty. Kasi di ba imagine, if this one, same ng formula, sobrang steal kasi ang mura lang. This one is from Sunnies Face. Ito yung kanilang lip balm which is called Lip Treat and naka 50% off siya. Kaya nabili ko na lang ng 196 each. Packaging as always looks on point. Sobrang aesthetic and sleek. And wala siyang scent which is perfect. And ayan guys, ito yung mga shades na nakuha ko. This one is Juice and this one is Si Chill. Ito namang isang to guys, binili ko siya kasi sobrang love ko yung Skin Lights bronzer, diba? Yung Revlon Skin Lights na bronzer. Kaya when I saw this, chinek out ko agad siya. Especially naka-sale. Yung original price kasi nito is 750 pesos but since nga 12.12, nabili ko lang to ng 350 kaya diba? Sobrang steal din. This one is yung lightest shade by the way, Daybreak Glimmer and I have high hopes. Na kung hindi same, better pa yung formula nito sa bronzer kasi nga, ayun nga, sobrang love ko talaga yun. This one as well guys, I'm so sorry kung naghahanap kayo ng swatch pero hindi ko muna iso-swatch, doon na lang sa trying new makeup video para mas in-depth talaga. I also got myself 3 liquid eyeshadows. This is from ZC Cosmetics and I believe this one nabili ko siya ng parang nasa 150 ganun lang. But this one bago pa mag 12.12 kasi China pa galing to but dumating siya nung ano na I believe 13. You guys know na sobrang obsessed ko sa mga liquid eyeshadows kaya when I saw this, sabi ko I'm gonna buy 3 kasi hindi ko matiis. Glitter is life, shimmer is life, liquid eyeshadow is life, eyeshadow is life. Kaya ayun, kahit hindi ko pa natatry yung formula, 3 na agad. Wow, oh my god. This is actually my first time seeing this. Ooh, parang duochrome yung isa. And ito yung mga shades na binili ko, guys. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is a number 3. Oh my god, I'm so happy wala siyang amoy kasi 'di ba sa ice gagamitin. Wow, oh my god. Hindi siya yung parang patchy or yung translucent yung ilalim. Ganda! Oh my god, gusto kong kumpletuhin. Yung skin sa ilalim, guys, hindi siya kita. Sobrang opaque. I'm so happy, guys. Grabe, napakaganda. Look at that. Sobrang sparkly, sobrang reflective. I also got myself a couple of items sa MAC Cosmetics kasi naka-sale sila, of course. Tapos, yung sa Studio fixed line nila, naka-buy one take one siya. So basically, for the price of 1, which is 195, 2 items yung nakuha ko or nabili. But again, since nga merong 60 pesos off kapag ka naka 600, meron pa siyang bawas. This one is a freebie, by the way. So kapag ka nag-order ka, may free gift. And yung na-receive ko is a mirror. Ayan guys, ito yung free gift. And ito yung mga binili ko, guys. Powder foundation and liquid foundation. Etong powder, guys, actually bumili lang ako ng isa pang shade kasi yung ginagamit kong NC20 is a little bit light. And ayan, guys, ito yung color ni NC25. Medyo light lang siya sa screen, feeling ko kasi nawawash out. But sa personal naman, close yung kulay niya sa skin tone ko. Medyo light lang ng konti, but workable naman. Pero pagdating sa foundation, I decided na medyo bumaba ng konti sa shade. And yung kinuha ko is si NC25. Ito yung shade na NC25. And to be honest, feeling ko ito naman parang masyadong warm sa skin ko. Maybe because of the pandemic, since hindi ako naglalabas, kaya hindi ako umitim or pumuti pa ako. I don't know, hindi ko alam. Pero ayun nga, feeling ko medyo dark siya sa akin ng slight. Subukan na lang natin soon, tapos doon natin alamin if tama ba yung shade or magagawa ng paraan if ever na dark. Again, like I've said, ipapakita ko na din yung ilan sa mga PR na na-receive ko, guys. And eto sila. First one is from Garnier. And this one is yung kanilang Bright Complete 3-in-1 Anti-Acne Facial Wash. And this one actually, nagawan ko na ng video before, na-test ko na siya. And I really like this kasi meron siyang micro beads. Kaya kapag ka pinang-wash ng face, talagang lahat ng dirt natatanggal. Tsaka yung gusto ko din kasi dito, guys, is that hindi siya yung klase ng facial wash na kapag ka pinang-wash ng face, nasa-strip off yung moisture na meron. Kasi 'di ba may mga ganun kapag ka pinang-wash nyo ng face, yung feeling niya after parang banat na banat yung face and uncomfortable. But this one hindi ganun. This one naman is from Senka and ito yung kanilang Perfect Whip. As you can see, they sent a bunch and I'm so happy kasi isa din to sa mga talagang trusted ko and go-to na facial wash. Ni-reformulate nila to and according sa kanilang info na binigay, 7 times more moisturizing na siya and 3 times more purifying. So, yung color blue is yung original. Etong color white is yung white clay. And lastly, my favorite, yung color green, which is the acne care. Anyway, so this next one I'm holding is from Happy Skin and sinandala to kasi diba 12/12 sale. This one is yung gloss stick ni Heart Evangelista in collaboration with Happy Skin. This one is really good, guys. But personally sa akin, mas prefer ko yung color white. Mas maganda yung color niya. We also have here 2 lip mallows and also isang shade ng kanilang multi-use mousse. BLK is also kind enough to send me some products. First one is a mist. Actually, nakalimutan ko na yung amoy na to Ooh, it smells good in fairness. This one is really good for everyday kasi yung amoy niya is floral na fresh tapos medyo sweet. They also gave me 3 lip tints. And also isang shade ng creamy all over paint and this one is si Poolside. In case hindi nyo pa alam, nag-launch ang Easy & Co ng mga bagong shade ng lip gloss and I have here the complete collection. And ayan guys, dalawa yung options that they have. First one is si Naughty and yung second is si Nice. And etong isang to guys, in terms of formula, alam ko na magugustuhan ko siya kasi this is actually one of my favorite formulas pagdating sa gloss. Kasi diba 2-in-1 siya, hindi lang siya lip gloss, it's also a lip treatment. Aside from making your lips glossy, nakakatulong din siya para gawing hydrated and soft tsaka supple yung lips. This next one is from Pen Shop and grabe guys, sobrang generous nila, na-shook ako ng bongga. To be honest, hindi ko na-expect na ganitong kadami ibibigay. Parang lahat ata ng product na meron sila, binigay nila sa akin. Meron pa pala sa gilid guys, pangkilay tsaka mascara. And also pressed powders. And look guys, hindi lang yung pressed powder na nasa compact, even refill. Ito ding Pen Shop guys, isasama ko na lang sa trying new affordable makeup so that matest natin. Tapos pagpipilian ko na lang yung mga shades na alam kong hindi ko naman magagamit, ipapa-giveaway ko na lang. Kasi diba, sobrang dami nito I also received a PR from the Lula Club and grabe guys, look how cute it is. This one by the way is the Luna Planner, which is yung bago nilang product for 2022. And sobrang ganda niya guys, I swear. Especially yung color na binigay nila sa akin. I'm so happy. Ang ganda ng kulay, ang sarap sa mata. Tapos yung ball pen, it is so nice. Ang ganda ng quality, it feels heavy. May weight siya. Tapos, ang ganda. Meron siyang print na Dalulaklab. It also comes with a calendar and stickers. And look, sobrang cute ng mga stickers. Guys, ang ganda ng planner. Look at that. Tapos yung material, it doesn't feel cheap. First page looks like this. Meron ding mga quotes inside. And of course, the actual planner slash journal. Ayan guys, ganito siya sa loob. Ang ganda guys. Sobrang perfect ng loob. Ang fun niya. Nakaka-excite sulatan, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Congratulations, girls. And lastly, guys, I wanna talk about this one, which is yung air fryer na na-receive ko like over a month ago, 2 months ago, I'm not sure. This one is from the brand Dekakila and available siya sa Lazada, guys. I have been using this one for, again, over a month now, kaya lang hindi ko siya mai-feature kasi diba hindi naman ako nagva-vlog. It is so good. Maganda yung quality niya, guys. And ayan, guys, this is how the air fryer looks like, and as you can see, it looks very premium and luxe. Maganda yung quality and build niya kasi, guys, kapag kahawak niyo siya, it feels very solid, very sturdy, and again, ayun nga, it doesn't look cheap. Works amazing as well. Again, I've had this for over a month now. I've used this na multiple times and I'm really happy. Hindi siya complicated gamitin. Maganda yung quality. I mean, for someone who loves fried food, definitely this one is heaven sent. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.